My name's Allison and I'm here with my boyfriend Will.
I am Will. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the boyfriend does my makeup challenge. Oh god, okay. This is my boyfriend.
Hi, I'm Will.
Okay, I don't know how this is gonna go.
No, it's gonna go great. I already know.
I'm not helping him at all. We have all my makeup right here. He has free reign and I'm kind of scared. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah, I know what I'm doing now.
Okay.
I've been practicing.
Have you?
Nope. This is Infallible Pro Matte 24 Hour by L'Oreal. This is a, wait a minute. This is a finish. Whatever. I think this is what you put on first to...
Okay.
Okay, like the whole contour, maybe.
Okay.
I don't know. Here you go. On the T-zone. Can you hold it still, please? I'm gonna apply it, kind of sparingly, a little, just little lines across where you're gonna need it and where you're gonna blend. I saw this on another video. We kind of dotted around. Okay, so you're gonna move it in a circle, general area. Yeah, this is actually going a little weller than I thought.
Weller. You're doing so great, babe.
Thank you. You can also go down a little bit into the neck / jawline if you want to blend it down just a little more, if it's not really your tone.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if you knew that, but you know.
Thank you.
You learn something new every day. On to the next step. I think we're supposed to put the powder on, because I heard of baking. So this is, I'll put the lid back on. It's kind of worn out, but it's Rimmel Stay Matte. This is the long-lasting something powder. Yep. I'm gonna use a bigger brush, and I'm gonna. Well, that didn't do anything. Oh wow. So you're gonna want to loosen the powder and shake it up. You know, get it all on that brush. And I guess we're gonna want to get it all wherever we put our stuff that we just did.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to put powder everywhere. I've seen this in a lot of movies, where they go in the bathroom and they just powder it up. I'm gonna assume that's what that is. Same thing. The makeup powder. If you could help, thank you. Very nice, very nice. It's not looking that bad actually.
Right.
After that, we're gonna go ahead and do the things. Eyeshadow. This is it.
That's the one you want to use?
Yes, it's colorful. This is Tartelette. Tartelette.
Yeah.
This is Tartelette, not French. It's Tartelette in Bloom. We're gonna want to use a smaller brush, like almost a detail brush. It's this one. It's like a two-sided, a little bigger and then a little smaller, by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna go with Smoke Show, maybe, to give it that little smoky flair.
Oh.
Oh wow. So
Ready.
you're gonna I think you're just supposed to just dip it. This isn't like water paint, people. You don't need to get it wet. You just gotta put it in there. Yeah, this looks good. Alright, let's go for this. Oh my. No, it's good, it's good. It's exactly the shade that I wanted. We're just gonna have to work with it. Let's focus. Let's focus. We're doing great. Here we go. Alright. So as you can see, what I'm doing. So we got a little stuff going on, but what we can do is grab our previous brush and just kind of. Can you? Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Yeah, we're just getting that out of there. This is. We're doing great. So we're gonna move on to the next eye with, again, Smoke Show. Maybe this time we'll use a little less because we didn't have a lot of powder kicking out. You want it to look together. You don't want it to look unevenly applied, if you will. Oh, this one's good. This one is good. That one's actually a lot better in my opinion. Yeah, so I want a more, maybe it's Maybelline kind of look, you know, like aggressive. I want to look aggressive. Okay, so I'm done with this for now. No, I want to go under eye. Let's get some lighter stuff maybe to go for the under eye. So that was Tartelette. So here's the color I'm going to be using for her under eye. It's no filter, like a dark purple. You know, don't hold back with the color because if you ever want to change it or remove it, you can use a wipe or just blend it, I think, with other stuff. So we'll do the, yeah, it looks okay. It looks good. All right, next eye, we're gonna do the same thing. Follow that line thingy, the bag, the saddle bag.
My under eye bag.
Under eye. So that's the eyes, I think. Wait, no, we're not. I'm gonna get some lash blacker, eyeliner. We're gonna do the things with the lashes. Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. This is gonna make your eyelashes pop, block and drop. I don't know. You can. And then she can do it on her own if she wants. She can just blink it down. You just don't want to get it in the eyes. This requires a lot of trust and a lot of time to learn how to do this. You know, but maybe if you watch a few videos together, you can learn. That looks pretty good. Not gonna lie.
How's it look, guys? It look good?
If I say it looks good, I'm pretty sure they're gonna agree. Well, then again, I don't know. Oh, I know what we're doing next. Okay, so that was that. Her eyes are done. They look good. Yeah. I want to go with a highlight which goes above the blush, like above the cheekbone. This is blush. This is blush. That's eyes. Definitely. This is definitely a highlight. So this is Wet n Wild Color Icon 32 8B Mellow Wine. It's kind of like that color. You can see that. We're gonna just wow. This is probably a lot or something. Is this?
I'm not saying anything.
Okay, we're gonna go for it. Wait. Okay. Shh, please, ma'am. This isn't that bad. I like it. It's a good color for you. Okay. Now I want to go with a blush. This is the Sugar Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're going to use Starburst, I think. So we'll use this one. I'm just going to go for it and see what happens. Oh yeah. This is it. This is it right here. You're going to want to bring it up to that line that you just did, but you don't want to combine it. Because this is supposed to be an accent. This is supposed to make it pop. So, you're going to keep it.
Are you doing this on purpose? Like, or is this really what you think happened?
I'm doing it right. Like, you're supposed to, because I thought this was what it's supposed to be. You're supposed to, it's supposed to complement each other. Other side, please. I think, yeah. I mean, it looks good, in my opinion. I mean, I'm going to do a wingtip because I'm good at that. So what I'm going to use, and what she's probably going to hate me doing, is I'm going to use NYX. I don't know if that's supposed to be a word. NYX, maybe. Matte liquid liner. Oh, yes. Okay. I'm going to be honest. I don't know if I can do this if she can't keep still. So you need to get someone that can keep still, please. Is it supposed to go up? Oh.
I don't know, is it?
Yeah, it's gonna Okay. I let her do my eyebrows earlier, and that it's very painful. I got through one. That's my attempt at a wing. I couldn't remember if I'm supposed to go...
No, some people do wings like this.
Okay, so the only thing I slipped up is I pressed on accident and hit the side and it made it fat.
It looks like a flower.
Okay, yeah. So I did a flower tip. I did that on purpose. And we're gonna do the other side with a flower tip. Oh, that one looked... Alright, yeah. So that one went a little bit better. I don't know why. But that's a flower tip. Correctly done. What else do we do? Lips. I think I want to do this one maybe.
Okay.
It's a NYX liquid suede cream lipstick. The shade LSCL03. Never mind. Cherry Skies. God. That's, yeah, look for the name, not the number things. Okay, and this goes on your lips. Right. Yep. Okay. And you're just gonna want to blend it. Now make sure you don't get it in her mouth. Because I don't, well, it might taste good. It said cherry on it. No, this stuff doesn't taste good. Oh, okay, you know what? That actually isn't terrible. So now we're gonna do the top lip. And you're gonna wanna get those arches if you got those. Because those are super pretty. Oh, everyone has those apparently. Didn't know that. Oh. Oh. No, good sounds. This is all good. We're doing great. Shh. Is that everything you're supposed to do? No. Wait. Yeah. Well, you could do the eyebrows.
What about using my video?
I watch Allison's videos on the reg, like most of you do, or better do. And so I think this is it. So you're gonna want to use a brush that's kind of at a chisel angle, kind of, and really fine. There's no name, but you know what the idea. Got it. Yeah. And then you're gonna pick a something. Wait. What is this? This might be it.
For my eyebrows?
Yeah.
So this is the Becca Champagne Pop.
No, that's your favorite thing. That's what you put on this stuff. Your highlight.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's not what we do there. Don't use highlight on your eyebrows. That's apparently frowned upon. This is it.
What is that? Read the back.
It says e.l.f. Moonlight Pearls.
Is that what you want to put in my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Don't use highlight on your eyebrows. It's apparently frowned upon.
Okay.
Okay. So I think this is it. This is what looks promising to me. And I think you're supposed to just like kind of shape the end of it and fill it in. Because you want some color back there to make it look fuller, if that's a word. I'm not entirely sure if that's the word. This isn't making a whole lot of difference, but it is adding a little flair and pizzazz to the eyebrows. You can already see that her eyebrows are popping, you know, like popping.
Oh.
Yeah.
What was that again?
Popping. Like it's so popping, you gotta stop in the middle of saying it to say it again. This looks good. So I'm gonna go back and use our Infallible Pro Matte and this little orange sponge thing, and I'm gonna put it back under that eye because I got a little powder mix into it. It didn't look too hot, so I'm gonna put a little on here. I'm gonna blend it like a blender. You know, maybe it looks like she had a black eye the last week or something.
Is that what we want?
No, it's not, but I'm saying it's what happened, you know, you have the story now. She fell while walking her pet monkey. I don't know.
Oh.
Something like that. You hit a rail with your eyeball. But it looks better now because, oh. Yeah, it looks better. Oh, wait. Say cheese. Oh, that smells. Wow. Alright, here we go. Okay. We got my blush, which goes under your highlight, which is right here. This is a good shade for the lips. I like this. Now I did try to follow her Cupid's bow, and I think I did pretty well with that, but the bottom was a little off. Now under her eyes we have that beautiful darker purple shade. I forget the name, but I showed it to you back earlier. And then I did a eyeliner flower out here instead of a wingtip. We did a flower tip. And then up top we did a darker smoky color. Smoke screen was the name, maybe smoke something. And that's a very aggressive look, but I like it, you know.
Aggressive.
It's aggressive, but it's pretty. And to go back, we did the whole contour thing.
Contour?
Your contour, yeah. And
This is our contour, everybody. Oh, we have to do an outro.
bye.
So that's it, guys. If you like this bit, let's try that again.
Yep.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button because it really supports my channel.
Support is good.
And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe for more.